Good morning, boys and girls. We are now learning box 4 of the row 3 of the thrust vowel chart. Again, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. And we have been learning row 3 since last week. We have done box 1, box 2, box 3. And today we're going to learn box number 4. The phoneme is O. Say with me, O. And the graphemes are, or spelling choice, are letter O in the O in nose, OA in the O in boat, O, silent E at the end from the word note, and OW, snow. Okay, let me show you. O, 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 O. Those are our graphemes, and it is a one-letter spelling choice. That's why it's a graph. Two-letter spelling choice, digraph. Two-letter spelling choice, O, and then the silent E, it's a digraph. And another two-letter spelling choice, OW, a digraph. So, phoneme fist. How many sounds do you hear in the word nose? O, again. O, correct. There are 3. Nose. So let's form the word nose. No. O's. Okay. Next. How many phonemes do you hear in the word boat? Show me your right hand. Phoneme fist. Boat. B, O, T. B, O, T. 3 phonemes. Boat. B, O, T. There. Now next. Note. Raise your right hand. Note. Phoneme fist. Sound out. N, O, T. N, O, T. N, O, T. No, oat. Yes. Note. Silent E. And then the last one, snow. How many phonemes? S, N, O. S, N, O. S, N, O. Snow. There are 3, correct. So there you have it. S, N, O. Okay, now boys and girls, let's sound it out again. N, O, S, N, O, S, N, O, S, nose. Nose. Boat. Let's sound it out. Ready? Go. B, O, T. B, O, T. B, O, T. Boat. Yes. Now, sound out the word note. N, O, T. Silent E. You don't say anything there. N, O, T. Silent E. N, O, T. Note. Snow. Let's sound it out. S, S, N, O. S, N, O. Sn, O. Snow. Okay, boys and girls, here is the challenge. Think of words that has the same phoneme and grapheme as the O in nose, the O, OA in boat, the O with a silent E at the end in note, and the O in snow. Okay, I'm gonna give you some examples. For the nose, I know most of you know this word. Pony. 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 There. The O in pony is the same as the O in nose. There's one more. Ocean. Ocean. There. The O in ocean is the same as the O in nose. And another word is, you know, when we do this, the shape oval. And the word we always do, devotion. The morning devotions that we have. The O in oval is the same as the O in nose, and the O in devotion is the same in O. And then there's another one, go. And another one, ghost. Yep. Go. And the O is the same as the O in nose. What about boat? You know this. An animal. Yep. Go. Oat. Yeah. The O in goat is the same phoneme and grapheme as the O in boat. Another one is the one you wear. I think your daddy has this. A coat. Your mom has a coat. You have a coat as well. Coat. O. The O in coat is the same as the O in boat. Same phoneme and grapheme. And one more word. A toast. Toast bread. Toasted bread. I love toasted bread. So the OA, the O in toast is the same as the O in boat. Same phoneme and grapheme or spelling choice. What about the note? We have learned this shape. The cone. See? Silent E. The O in cone is the same as the O in note. Another one is the flower. Rose. Rose. Same O and silent E, rose. Last one is what? A hole, yes. Hole. Hole. Now, what about in snow? Can you think of a word that has the same phoneme and grapheme as the O in snow? O-W. Yes, the color yellow. And there's also slow. Please be fast. Don't walk so slow. Okay? The O in yellow and the O in slow is the same as the O in snow. And there's another one. Show. There's a show that I want to watch. Show. There's so many more. There's a glow. And when you want to blow something. So there you have it, boys and girls. These are examples. Maybe you can think of more words that has the same phoneme and grapheme as the O in these 4 words. Great job listening. Bye.